Hello viewers, today I show you two applications for making money online. The first application I will show you is HoneyGain. This is it. It's very easy to download. Just go to the website and click download. I think everyone can handle it. Okay, many of you are probably wondering how we make money here. It's based on the fact that we show our internet with this application, and we more and the more we share it, the more we earn. In short, okay, this application works best in large cities where there is fast internet. Additionally, it's best to use in the Western countries and countries with a large population. Why? Because the greater the demand for the internet, the more we will earn. As you can see here, I have earned $4 so far, and we need $20 to withdraw, which should take us about 2 months with fast internet. But if we have a slow internet, we probably it probably should take us maybe 6, maybe 10 months, very long. And okay, as you can see, here's the dashboard of this application. Here is a dashboard of this application. Okay, and if you okay, here we can see how many this currency we earn. Okay, and the second application I will show you is GamerHash, and the second application I will show you is GamerHash. This is it. And okay, this is an application that allows us to mine cryptocurrencies. As you can see, this is very more powerful the graphic card and processor we have, the more we will earn. Before someone thinks that they are going to buy 20 graphics cards and start making a lot of money, they must remember that the more powerful the graphic card, the more power it consumes. So we have to be very careful about it. How much we earn is also influenced by the cryptocurrency we mine. As you can see, this is so many options in this application. And yeah, interestingly enough, Bitcoin is not the best cryptocurrency for mining. For example, Ethereum is better for mining because it's so much easy to mining. The higher the prices of the cryptocurrencies, the more we can earn from them. If you have, as you can see here, we can start, and now we will earn money. Okay, my balance in the wallet is really big because it's almost $10. And I think this application is better than HoneyGain because we can earn so much more. And if we have very cheap electricity, or maybe if we have photovoltaic, we can earn very good money for this. For example, if we earn 20 RTX 5090, and we have the electricity for free. We can earn maybe $100, maybe $200 per day, and this application is free. Honeygain also, but also, as you can see here, we have a mining bonus, and it gives us 1 GHX per day. This is cryptocurrency of the which made the first person which opened this app. As you can see, now I'm earning 0.005 MBTC per day, and it means $0.3 per day. I have very cheap electricity, but if you have I don't know, maybe if you pay $1 per 1 kilowatt, it's not application for you. And if you have any questions for me, you can write it in the comment section, and this is it. Bye.